Hello everyone, welcome to this section. So here I am going to introduce you a new website named TechDevGate. So which is designed by Google. So whether you are new to computer science or if you are an experienced coder, there is something for you here, that is Google's TechDevGate. So here they have carefully curated the materials from various sources, including some made by Google and some from others, so that you can use to grow your technical skills, you can supplement your coursework and prepare for interviews. So this is what is all about. What is this Tech Dev Guide? So if you want the reference for any of the technical concepts which you are learning from any of the programming languages, you can make use of this website in order to get a better understanding. So this website consists not only of concepts and content, it also have videos and hands-on sections. So if you want in-depth explanation for any questions, any concepts, you can go through the videos, and if you want to practice, there is a hands-on section also, so where it will direct to the HackerRank platform. There you can solve the question, you can run and submit the code in order to check whether all the test case has been passed or not. So this is the overview of TechDevGate. So I'll share this link in description. Later you can make use of these things, and it having a collections of resources which is curated by the Google engineers and faculties. So if you want to check all the collections, you may click on this view on collections, so where you will be directed to the collections. So if you are new to programming language and if you're not sure when to start, what is the actual part to start, so these resources will help you to set out a right path. So here you can, if you lot of things which is related to this particular part will be shown. So let us say I'm clicking on here. So here you can see, so what is CS, what is a history of computer science, and how one can start coding, or which programming language should you learn first. See, for all these things here they have mentioned video, right? So the video time estimation is under 10 minutes. Now I can click on this in order to see the video. So if you want to watch the video, you can watch it. If not, you can just check what are the things given there. So this is all about the videos. So likewise, many resources is there. So here you can see intro to iOS app development with Swift, and if you want to create your own adventure game, that is in Python, and intro to Python course, intro to Java course. So Google's intro to JavaScript course is there. So likewise, many online courses is given there. So if you just want to check the overview of all the collections, you can check here what are all the things we have. So foundations of programming is there, that is FOP concepts, which starts with input output, operators, variables, decision making statements, control structures, arrays, strings, all those things where you should thorough with the algorithmic thinking or logic building. So that is what is foundation of programming or fundamentals of programming. So once you are done with fundamentals, we'll go with data structures and algorithms. So data structures such as list, trees, stack, queue, map, graphs, all those stuffs. And interview preparation. So how out of software engineering interviews, how you can prepare yourself. So here it will these resources will help you to prepare more and practice more. And this is a full library where we will be having the coding questions as well as interactive tutorial as well. So if you want to solve the question, let's see, you can click on here so that the question is visible. Yes, and here you can do the code. So similarly, interactive tutorials is there, which about the video part. Now here you can see the collections. So in the collections, as I told you already, these are all the modules we have. So software engineering principles. So this practice important skills you will need to be a successful software developer. So testing, debugging, design, documentation, open source. So all these things here you can practice of. And for the educators, they will also be asking the students to succeed in the tech industry. So for those people here, they have some suggestions. And here explore CS. So if you want to learn more about the tech industry or applications of computer science and life at Google, so you can refer this. So what types of technical opportunities does Google have for me? So here you can see engineering and technical jobs is there, and how Google is hiring. So what are the requirements? So here they have given, right? So Google is always looking for people who can bring new perspective and diverse experiences for our team. So their recruitment process and all those steps will be given in this particular platform where you can see. So this is all about this Tech DevGate platform. So if you want to prepare any programming concept, even though if you are new to programming field, you can make use of all these resources. So many of the students might not know like where to start, right? And what are all the resources which you can trust and go ahead with. So because if we see, if you take many websites, we are not sure whether the given question is correct or not. So whether the logic is correct, or even for MCQ questions, we are not sure about the like answers, right? Whereas this particular platform, which is designed by Google, is one of the best one where we can assure that the given things, like the given answers, coding questions, everything is usable, and the concept is also good and clear. So please make sure everyone is using this particular platform. So I'll share this link in the description, later you can check it out.